In this video, I'm going to be showing you the #1 meme coin that I think has insane opportunity. It is prepping for a monster move, but not the move you might be thinking. I'm actually going to be shorting this meme coin. I personally think this meme coin can have 30 to a 50% retracement over the next coming weeks. We all know that these meme coins will end at zero eventually because there's no real world value to these things. Only hype and community. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you the #1 meme coin that I plan on having a sizable short on over the next few weeks. And I think it's going to play out handsomely. Let's get right into it. Whoa. Before we get onto it, make sure you guys subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a goated trade opportunity again. These trade opportunities can be life-changing if you catch them at the right time. So if you want to catch these trade opportunities, make sure you guys hit the notification bell and subscribe. Alrighty, on to the video. Alrighty, so the first thing I want to mention is the platform I plan on shorting this crypto on. This platform is the best liquidity I've ever seen, and that's extremely important when it comes to these meme coins. So the platform that I'm going to be using is BitUnix. Big surprise there, I've had them in the other videos. I think BitUnix is a fantastic platform, especially when it comes to shorting and when it comes to liquidity. Now, the #1 crypto that I plan on shorting with size is MOODENG. MOODENG USDT, again, it's listed on all these major exchanges. I think we'll have a monster move to the downside for 3 main reasons. Now, one of my personal favorite reasons is the Elliott wave theory. If you guys do not know what the Elliott wave theory is, essentially what it means is everything that has a chart and anything that humans can buy or sell has this exact pattern. We have a 5-wave structure to the upside, followed by a 3-wave structure to the downside. I use this exact setup for shorting stocks every single day. And meme coins are no different because it's simply just greed and fear. So when we have all this greed from a 5-wave structure amassing an over 800% move, this looks scary for long traders. Another thing I want to highlight is the death signal. Most meme coins and most penny stocks have what's called a death signal. This is when either insiders sell or when smart money takes their profit. And the death signal is pretty evidently clear in MOODENG. We had what we call a high-a-day clear out, which means essentially the stock continues higher and higher and higher and higher, having strong breakouts, but then eventually, once it tries to break out again, wham, big slam to the downside. Also, we had a 20% plus retracement here. This is now in reversal territory. Let me show you some examples. This is Pepe. Pepe is one of the most popular cryptos of all time, and it had not 1, but 2 death signals. On the first move, you can see that after it made a nice move to the upside, we had a lower high, followed by a 20% retracement, and a continuation lower. This one wasn't clean. This one wasn't that big of a death signal, which is why I don't think it faded as much. If you look at the highest high, well, this is where it can get interesting because you can see we had that high day clear out right here, followed by a 20% drop. Now, following the drop, you will have FOMO buyers push this back up. These are the noobs that are finally getting into the position, thinking that it's going to moon and it's going to go to 1 penny and you're all going to be billionaires. Well, this is where we like to go short because more than likely it's going to create lower low after lower low after lower low. So when we go back to MOODENG, essentially what I'm looking for is for that pop back to the upside up to this level. This is the 30-cent level. I think more than likely we are going to see a strong rejection at this level or before it, possibly around the 27 to 25 level. If we get this, I will be adding a sizable short for lower lows because all the smart money left at this range. We are up over 850%. The issue with a lot of these meme coins is there's not enough liquidity for everyone to exit. So when the liquidity pool shrinks to less than 10% of the overall market cap, that's where we can have monstrous moves to the downside and tons of panic. So as this crypto pops to the upside, I think a lot of smart money is going to liquidate when it has a lower high. Another thing that you want to track is their community. I've been tracking their community for quite a while and it really hasn't grown over the last 2 weeks. So when the community starts to plateau and they don't have new people to come in and buy their crap coin, that's when we have these meme coins go to zero. Another thing to do is to check its top holders. This top holder has $30 million of MOODENG, and if you go to its wallet, you can see that it transferred out $6 million worth of it 2 days ago. Now, you can see some transfers in that are even greater, but the argument could be made that the transfers are pairing it to become a position to sell. So I'm going to be watching this because this one doesn't have much Solana in it. Definitely not enough to liquidate $30 million worth. But as you check the top holders, see this one. You can see this user is very active in transferring. Transferred 200,000 not too long ago. Transferred 65,000 here. So monstrous transfers. It really 137,000. This user is transferring quite a bit of their MOODENG. This is the number 2 holder. So now as we go back to the charts, what I'm looking for is for a pop to the upside for me to be able to short. I don't want to be chasing it down here because if my risk is, let's say 31 cents, 32 cents, and I add down here and I'm wrong, I can lose 50% of my account. So what I would rather do is I would rather wait for a pop to the upside and for FOMO buyers to dip buy the heck out of it and to chase it back up to those levels and to have a better average so I can put on more size and make more money. I was able to trade this wedge fake out earlier with my friend Noah. He got it on video, but let's go back to the death signal real quick. You guys know I love wedge fake outs. It is my favorite death signal to trade. For example, I even got one on video this morning and I didn't get much size off, but I made over $500 in about 2 minutes. So that death signal is almost a guaranteed way to guess if it's going to go down. This death signal is almost a guaranteed way to increase your win percentage when you short, because odds are to a 90% certainty it's going to go down after. So there you have it, guys. Let me know what you think, and also let me know in the comments what crypto coins you want me to check for potential short opportunities, long opportunities, you name it, I can help. If you guys want to trade alongside me each and every single morning and you want to have winners like these, all you need to do is click the first link down below and sign up using our referral code, and you get premium access in our Discord to trade crypto with us. Our head crypto trader Noah has been absolutely killing it, turning $500 to over $30,000 in just a few weeks. And I have never seen our students have better results than this. And again, it is completely for free. We're not going to charge you a single dime. All you have to do is use our referral code. So if that sounds like something you want to do, click the link down below and sign up. Subscribe for more trading opportunities. Deuces.